Crafted for diverse eye shapes so no lash goes uncurled. For beginners to expert level. Contoured finger loops. Always curl lashes before applying mascara. Open eyes wide to insert and center lashes. With curler pad placed at base of lash line, hold handles firmly and gently squeeze. Hold for a few seconds, then open curler slowly to release lashes. Repeat up the length of lash from base to tip for an even more intense curl. This device designed with a narrower top bar and extra wide opening to reach every last lash without pinching. The 38-degree angled top bar is the perfect fit for curling lashes on almond and deep-set eyes. Curler is flawlessly. Top reviews from the United States. Works great. I ordered 3 different eyelash curlers at the same time, and this one definitely worked the best. I find it kind of uncomfortable to use. I always feel like I'm going to hit my eye or pinch my eyelid, so it requires a little extra focus than curlers I've used in the past. But the results are so good I don't mind. For eye shape reference, my eyes are almond, down turned.